Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek, and I help Shopify sellers and bookkeepers to set up, organize, and streamline their Shopify financials with confidence. In this video, I'm talking to bookkeepers and Shopify sellers about my new course, the Shopify Bookkeeping Method. Let's talk about my new course, the Shopify Bookkeeping Method. First of all, what is it? Well, the Shopify Bookkeeping Method is my step-by-step course showing bookkeepers and online sellers, and specifically Shopify sellers, how to work on Shopify bookkeeping. Shopify bookkeeping is very different from any other e-commerce type of accounting, and primarily because you have to work with multiple payment processors. That makes the bookkeeping a lot more challenging, and it's not something that you can just do out of the box. It's something that you need to know how to do. In the Shopify Bookkeeping Method, you not only get all of my training, but you also get all of my proven workflows. And if you know me, you know that I'm all about workflows and streamlining processes. And so I make sure that you learn my proven workflows for doing Shopify bookkeeping. Let's go over what the course includes. You get all of the video lessons and handouts. So you get 24/7 access to the recorded lessons. You get unlimited access to those lessons. You'll get the Shopify chart of accounts, Shopify bookkeeping setup checklist, an A2X setup checklist, the monthly bookkeeping checklist, a Shopify reconciliation spreadsheet, a PayPal bookkeeping checklist, an inventory tracking spreadsheet, and you also get membership into my private student Facebook group where you have direct access to me. So if you have any questions, I'll be there to answer your questions. In addition to that, if you're a bookkeeper, you get the Shopify client onboarding checklist, a sample engagement letter for Shopify bookkeeping, and a sample e-commerce pricing spreadsheet. Now let's go over the specific topics that I cover in the course. You'll see on the left that the course is divided into sections. You'll have a welcome and introduction section, e-commerce basics and best practices, Shopify bookkeeping setup, recording Shopify transactions in QuickBooks Online using A2X, Shopify monthly bookkeeping workflow, working with PayPal transactions, inventory and cost of goods sold, e-commerce sales taxes for U.S. sales taxes, and even some bonus lessons. Let's take a look at Section 3, recording Shopify transactions in QuickBooks Online using A2X. First, you'll see the PDF of all of the video lessons. This is a downloadable PDF. And as you can see on the right, you'll see content, all of the lessons, and then you see the video lessons as well. In this section, we have methods for recording Shopify transactions, setting up A2X, A2X accounts and taxes, A2X settings, switching between accounts and notifications in A2X, Shopify settlements and payouts, and the A2X setup checklist. I keep all of the video lessons fairly short. They are concise, to the point, exactly what you need to know so that you can get a lot of information within a very short period of time. Now let's take a look at the Shopify monthly bookkeeping workflow. And we have various lessons here, from recording transactions, reviewing A2X, working with the QBO banking transactions, recording the Shopify monthly bill, recording payment processor fees, and this is a very valuable lesson here. It'll show you how to go in and get those fees. So for example, for Stripe, it has step-by-step instructions. Go to reports, go to balance, enter the date, get the amount, and then make a journal entry in QuickBooks. Then we'll go over reconciling bank and credit card accounts, reconciling Shopify income and payment processor deposits, including a reconciliation spreadsheet. We'll go over the month-end review, reviewing clearing accounts, reviewing and updating month-end inventory balances, as well as reviewing key reports, making corrections, and closing the books. If you're using PayPal, then you have a whole section on working with PayPal transactions and also 2 methods for working with your PayPal transactions, either connecting your PayPal directly to QBO or recording summarized PayPal transactions in QBO. We also have several lessons on inventory and cost of goods sold and US e-commerce sales taxes. And as a bonus, I also include some tutorials on recording Shopify transactions manually into QuickBooks Online. I'll also touch on bookkeeping for other sales channels, although this course is specific to Shopify. If you're a bookkeeper, I also go over some pricing tips for bookkeepers and also a sample pricing spreadsheet for bookkeepers. And finally, if you're a bookkeeper, there's a sample engagement letter. I hope this gives you a good overview of what's included in the Shopify bookkeeping method. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer you. I'm Veronica Wasek. If this content is helping you, then subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. And check the description below for all of my free resources, including my free Shopify bookkeeping blueprint. I'll see you next time.